Magandang hapon po ng October 24, 2023 Tuesday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng October 24, 2023 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto, 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, October 24, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for October 24, 2023, Tuesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 62 million pesos. Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 20 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimates is 15.8 million pesos. For Tuesday, October 24, 2023. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for October 24, 2023, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.